Yes, sir. Damn, it is your boy Cole going back with another video.
Overall, it's a pretty good shoe.
I let her blue race, she to my pet.
Oh, dope.
Addicted to sex, I got it.
It just hopped with Paul George's.
Don't mean that it's beige. I clean up real nice, I don't got.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Duh, it is. Well, the door did not open. Duh, it is your boy Cole. I'm back with another video, bro. Today, bro. You already see the title of this, bro. The plan today is to cook as much as possible, bro. So look, I'm at Nike Linux right now. Now, bro, I came here late. I didn't even know they was releasing the Parises, or not the Parises, my bad, the Lakers to the Chicago Jordan 1s today. You know, the ones, you know, that change color eventually into the other color. Blah, 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 blah. So basically, like, I didn't know. So I tried to come late, try to scoop me up a pair. As soon as I got here, the manager for Nike said that, oh, this is my first release, you know, managing a store. Can you guys just wait till open? Now, the problem with that is I got to go to Wish Atlanta because I'm in the virtual line. That starts at 10. So it's like the mall opens at 10. That starts at 10. I can't. So I got to dub this. But I'm already at Lennox, which I wasn't too far because I was at a friend's house. I really wish I could have got those ones, bro. But hopefully I can cook at Wish. Hopefully I can go to another mall and cook. Today, cook, Chef Boyard Cole, yes sir. So I'm gonna hit you guys when I get to Wish Atlanta. Oh, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we do the best live cops, the funniest live cops, the best and funniest, you know, sneaker pickups. You know what I'm saying? All right, so newsflash, you know how I said the manager said that BS, but so I just passed somebody, they said they're actually selling them again, so I'm gonna try and get a pair right quick, and then I'm gonna hit y'all if I get the pair or not. Right. I wish.
Too late, because I got the 12, and I wanted to, there's no way, I would just return it and rebuy it.
That's me.
190.58.
Okay, so we got the Parises, the Defiance. Bro, tell me why. I go in there, right? Bro, they tell me they actually sold the last two Lakers Chicago's to people that passed me. Like, I was literally walking past them. They said size 12. Y'all know that's my size, bro. Y'all know that, bro. Y'all know that's my size. So I had to get, you know, the Defiant, bro. But I'm finna go to Wish Atlanta right now. We got one, you know, cook pair. But dang, bro. The Lakers Chicago, I told you, the manager told me to go back. Y'all just get to, y'all just get to watch me go outside with that light though. Yes. Gotta stop recording. I can't bless y'all like that. Yes, sir. You see the slush, you see the vibes. You know what's going on. Yes, sir. We gotta have a lit morning this morning. Yes, sir. So, you know, we got the slushy in hand. We are on our way walking to Wish. Some of my friends is there already, I think, but had to start the morning off with a slushy, bro. If you from Atlanta, bro, this, like, a slushy is like, that's coffee for us. Like, how y'all drink coffee, we drink slushies. Most of the time, the slushies come from the QT, but there wasn't one near Wish, so I just parked, got my slushie. I'm on the way right now. We had Lil 5 Points in Atlanta. Oh yeah, yes sir. Where is that guy? Screen's frozen, but oh, I was about to just go over there.
Yeah, I was definitely about to just try to finesse.
It's frozen.
Over there, he was just like, yeah, my bad. He went over there. He's towing somebody again. Somebody's thing to be towed.
Towed?
Yeah, because they capped and said, I don't know what they said, but.
Damn, that is tough. Yeah, mine still does say pending.
Everybody said no.
Oh, I'm knowing.
I know. They don't want it.
Sick.
I'm really.
What's your name? You got your ID? Huh?
You take mine.
Did I call your name?
I was before him.
Jason Johnson?
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
I don't have have a Jason Johnson. I do have a Jason. Yeah, I've been called Jason Johnson. I've been called it.
I come in.
I got you, bro.
Boy, it was looking tough.
She had turned on my sister.
Thank you. Thank you.
I got 10 and a half. 10. You got 9 now? I'll take 10 and a half my smalls. I'll take 10 and a half.
I'll take 10 and a half too. Boy, that man injured. Bro, I didn't hear you. Well, I mean, hell, I wasn't there. But this man almost didn't get his shoe size. I know you sick, bro. Got here at 10. Golly. 10 and a half. Thank you. Yes. Oh, yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. There go my man. He got his. My other man, the white god. Bro, Andrew, that was looking sick, bro. That boy was looking sick. I couldn't even look you in your face because I knew you was gonna be sick. After checking the prices, but we really waited 3 hours. We waited 3 hours because it's 12:45. Oh yeah, do it. 12:45. Got here at like 9:30. Oh yeah, there go that man DJ. Hold up. Huh? Yeah, that's true. There go my main man. He got here. They trying to negotiate, bro, right now. My man in the pink shirt. DJ may sell him. Look, they said.
I mean, it was like.
He said they called him.
He said he just called me. Oh. I didn't call.
But I told you that name.
I said, bro. He said, I already called you. I said, you should. All right. I'm right here. I said.
Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. When I tell you I'm exhausted, I'm not capping, bro. I woke up at 8. I've been out in the sun, bro. I was at Wish, bro. We were out in the sun for like 3 hours. About 3 hours, bro. But I was in the sun before that because I was at Lennox and also had to wait in line a little bit for these. And then they canceled on like the lime and then they started back up. It was just today was a whole mess, bro. But we didn't get the Yeezys, bro. We cooked up on both the Jordan 1, the Parises, and then we also got, you know, the LA to Chicago. So we're about to review both of these shoes right quick, bro. But I am tired. Like, I'm exhausted, bro. I just had to let y'all know, bro. But we didn't get the Yeezy Glows. I really wanted the Yeezy Glows, but that was the one shoe we did not get, bro. I gotta try harder. I gotta start going in harder. I gotta wake up earlier, blah, blah, blah. But we're about to start this because, bro, I'm exhausted. I gotta edit this out and put this out today. So, here we go. These should be the Jordan 1 Parises, the gray ones. Now, these is actually pretty tough. I took a look at them before I, you know, started up this video. These are actually pretty tough. Now, if you guys did not know, these Jordan 1 SBs actually like change colors, like over the time you wear them, or you can actually like scratch them off. If you use acetone, you can use acetone, scratch them off. Probably like something sharp, steel wool. You can even use steel wool. But these, bro, are hard. Like, these are tough. You can see. And when you scratch it off, this color, this gray right here, turns into like a rust pink, like, you know, the rest of the outlining of the shoe. It comes with 3 laces, or 4 laces, the black laces that are already in the shoe, these salmon color laces, these pink laces, and then also these gray laces. I think these probably look best if you scratch off the color. I don't know. Probably either the black or the salmon, because the pink, I don't think the pink will really go. But these are a actual pretty dope shoe. I got these size 8, so I got the smallest size I think I could get. But they had a good amount, I think, still at Nike, so I don't think they're selling like that. I think they're selling for about, at least this size, maybe $200. And then after retail is $175, so then with tax it's like $190. So you're barely making any money off of it. I'm probably still gonna sell it. So if you guys want these, the selling page, you already know I was finna promote, bro. Go ahead, follow me on my selling page, bro. I sell, like, you know, some items on there, some stuff that I caught from this release. I'll definitely put up on there. But make sure you go ahead, follow the selling page. The next shoe, let's get into the next shoe, the banger shoe. Now we go to the Jordan 1 LA to Chicago. Pick these up at Wish ATL. This is a sneaker boutique in Atlanta. The process, y'all seen it, bro. I didn't record a lot of it because I was literally like too hot, too tired. But these are fire. These I actually like. So now, and these are actually selling. I got a size 10.5 in these. So I mean, all these sizes are actually selling, but these are tough. Look at this, bro. So basically with these shoes, when you scratch this off, this purple, it turns into a red. And just, you know, like the outlining stitching of the shoe. So it turns into the Chicago ones. I think, I'm pretty sure. The Chicago ones. But these, bro, are tough. Like, these, and then look at the lace colorways they got with it. Like, you can really get loose with the laces, bro. You got the white lace, you got the purple lace, and the red lace, and then the black lace that are already in the shoe, bro. These are tough. Like, you gotta just look at the detail with these, bro. Look, this is so fire. Like, bro, these are hard. Yes, sir. I like the black sole. I actually really appreciate the black sole. Like, I'm happy they didn't do no red sole or nothing like that, or purple sole. The black sole is really tough. These definitely, you know, my favorite cop of this weekend, bro. These I'm probably gonna, you know, also gonna put on the selling page, but I'm probably gonna put these up on the sneaker wall that I got. That's in this video, bro. I hope you guys like this video, bro. If you guys want to see more live pickups, some more stuff like that, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, bro. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button, bro. And I gotta hurry up, edit this, because I'm tired, bro. This sneaker release day was a mess, so I don't got an outro. I just shrugged, so.